All right, guys, we're gonna close some sellers. We're gonna call them, close them, and stay tuned. Let's see. We're going live. Like, I want you guys to get close deals. Like, let's go. Like, come on.
You reached Turlar at Gosher West. Sorry, I'm unable to take.
All right, on to the next one.
The email subscriber at 8.
People who want to answer. When it comes to following up, it's huge that you don't let leads fall through the cracks. You have to have a CRM. You have to have something that will help you keep everything super organized, and that way you're not like losing deals because you forgot to follow up with somebody. So I recommend that you have a CRM, that you have a system in place so that you can make sure that you're following up properly. Okay. So let's go here.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated.
All right. Right now, obviously, we're shooting, and I'm hoping that everybody will answer. But the reality is that, guys, you're gonna have to get through a lot of people. You're gonna have to get through a lot of people to have conversations, and that's just part of the game. It's part of the grind. It's part of just pounding the phones, right? Like, you have to get through 1,000 people to get like a few yeses, and then from those few yeses, like, you have to be good to be able to close one of those. So it's just part of it. That's why we have full-time VAs calling for us. These are leads that are already somewhat warm, or VAs already called them, and then they pass it on to me, and they pass it on to someone else that closes the deal. So it's just part of it, guys. So if you want to do this, I would recommend you to create a list, skip trace, and then call. That's the fastest way that you're gonna get a deal. I promise you. Hey Alberto, I guess I had the wrong name. This is Carlos. One of my colleagues called you recently about your property here in Fontana. So I wanted to give you a call back. It seems like you're interested in selling. Please give me a call back at this number, 949-219-9748, 949-219-9748. Have a great day. So I have all of these details right here about the condition of the property. The property is vacant, it's not listed, he has a mortgage, he'll be willing to close in 6 months. All of these details. So if he's serious, that's why I went straight to the point. If he's serious about selling, he's gonna call me back and be like, okay, like, what's up, what's going on, or what's the offer, or whatever, right? If he's not serious, then we'll be able to tell that, as he said here, closing in 6 months, he's not that motivated, but he will go into our campaign of a follow-up campaign of 3 to 6 months. So we'll move on.
Hello.
Hey Predrag, how you doing today?
Okay.
Doing all right? This is Carlos. One of my colleagues talked to you a couple of days ago regarding your property here in Fullerton. You have a couple minutes?
Okay.
How's the morning going?
So far, so good.
Yeah? Finishing up some breakfast, relaxing. What you got going on?
Banana.
Banana? There we go. I love it. Is smoothie or just by itself?
What?
You had a smoothie or just by itself?
I have a wife.
Got it. Yeah, so just wanted to check in. It seems like you're interested in selling this property. Is that because you're moving?
Wife. We're not sure.
Say that again?
Well, it's not.
Is this your property, Predrag? 1330
Yeah.
Victoria Drive?
Yeah.
How soon are you looking to sell?
Well, we're not in a hurry.
You're not in a hurry?
No.
Okay, no problem, not a problem. Is this property currently rented or you're living there? You live there?
Uh-huh.
Got it. Okay. And you're looking to move? Is that why you're selling?
Yeah.
Nice. Where are you gonna go?
Back home.
Where is home for you?
Europe.
Europe?
Uh-huh.
What part?
France and Croatia.
Wow, that's amazing. I've never been. Do you recommend I should be going?
Oh, yeah.
What's so nice about it? It's beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful. Nature plus buildings.
Got it. That's awesome. And if we were to give you a fair offer, Pedro, what would that offer look like? Like around how much?
Got a few estimates.
Say it again, please.
We got a few estimates.
What's the estimate? I can hear you very well.
It's around 400.
400?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. What's a good email that I can have for you, Pedro? Do you have an email?
Sometimes it's not reliable.
Sometimes what?
Sometimes it doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
Yeah, you can try, but
Okay. And if we were able to do 400,000 and I bring you a contract, would you be ready to move forward if I come to your house?
as I said, you're not in a hurry.
Say it again.
As I said, we are not in a hurry.
Got it. So if I'm gonna do my best to do 400,000, but I need to give my manager here an idea of when or how long until you guys are ready to move forward. Can you give me a timeline, like 30 days, 2 months, or next week? Do you have an idea?
This is all. We are not in a hurry at all.
Okay, but I would love to see how we can help you guys so that you can go back to France and Croatia and enjoy retirement.
Yeah.
So do you have like a timeline? If I do my best and convince my manager to do 400,000, do you have a timeline of when would you be ready to move?
It was it's not exactly estimate. I don't know. It might be more.
Okay, all right, Pedro, sounds good. I'll be checking in with you. This is the address is 133. What is it?
1331.
Got it.
Area.
Okay,
Live.
I see it. All right, Pedro, sounds good. You remember my name? Are you gonna remember my name, Pedro, when I call you back?
Okay, send me your name again.
Okay, sounds good. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Have to like remind them of things, like you just have to help them out, continue to build that report. That's why I asked him like where he's going, what part of Europe, all of that stuff. So little things like that helps them remember. Like next time I call them, if a random person called them and didn't ask anything about their personal life or anything, they're not gonna remember. It's just gonna be another telemarketer, right? But if I call them back and be like, hey Pedro, like I'm gonna go to France next time. You remember you told me about it? Like he'll remember. Like it works. So make sure that you're intentional about building that report and stuff. Guys, that's it for today. Let's give it a shot another time. I definitely want to like hopefully get it more answers next time so that you can see how to go back and forth with the seller and stuff. But yeah, continue to follow us. Let's go.